Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Cash App card to PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to get your Cash App card and also get the information so you can add them to PayPal. And to do so, you will need just to simply go to your profile or to main menu, and from there you will find this card icon here in the bottom menu, and all you need to do is just to click on it, and from there either you can create a new credit card, debit card in case you don't already have it, or you can simply view your account details or card details if you have it. And now after that you have the card, you will need just to add it to PayPal. So basically there in your PayPal you will be needing just to add accounts. So here in the accounts, you will be needing just to click on add new, and here you will find linked banks and cards. In our case, we want to link a card. So click on add new, and then you will choose the bank or the card. So basically, you will be adding the informations of the card, and simply it will be just the card number that you found from here, and you will need just to add all the information such as the expiry date, the CVC code, and the account, the card number, and basically you need just to save, and it will be verified, and everything will be successful. And after that, you can start shopping using this card that is linked to PayPal. So simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.